Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OneDrive to Canva for multi-device brand editing step by step clearly. To connect OneDrive to Canva for multi-device brand editing, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website and log into your account. Once logged in, look for the Create a Design button on your dashboard. Select the type of design you want to create. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see the Uploads option. Click on Uploads to open the upload interface. Next, locate the OneDrive option among the available upload sources. Click on OneDrive to initiate the connection process. A prompt will appear, asking you to sign in to your OneDrive account. Enter your OneDrive credentials and click Sign In. After successfully logging into OneDrive, grant Canva permission to access your files. Once connected, you will see your OneDrive files displayed in the Canva upload interface. Browse through your OneDrive folders to find the images or assets you want to use. Select the files you wish to import by clicking on them. Click the Import button to add the selected assets to your Canva design. Once the import is complete, the files will be available in your Uploads section. You can now drag and drop these assets directly onto your design canvas. Make any necessary adjustments to your design elements as required. Remember, any changes you make in Canva will automatically save in your workspace. To access your designs on other devices, log into your Canva account on those devices. You can continue editing your designs seamlessly across multiple devices. To add more assets from OneDrive later, repeat the connection process if necessary. Now you're ready to enjoy multi-device editing with your OneDrive assets in Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.